Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video I'm walking around a Mercedes X-Class that we've upgraded with an integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto solution into the factory screen. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen this before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So today's video is all about the brand new Mercedes X-Class. Yes, it's a lovely looking pickup truck. However, functionality still lacks slightly. That's where we can change that. If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in adding in this same system into your vehicle, and yes, it is phenomenal. What we've added in is a fully integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto solution into the factory Mercedes system. We've retained steering wheel controls, we've got audio output through the factory speakers, plus we've also got hands-free now, Siri activation via CarPlay, Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze, you name it, it's all live, packed directly into your new screen. Basically, the screen stays as it is in terms of the factory screen, but basically what we do is add an integration module sitting behind the dashboard, out of the way, out of sight, that actually allows us to flip over that screen and actually display the CarPlay solution that we've added in. The rest of actually the sort of install is hidden away behind the scenes. What we've actually done is used a USB input into the thing to get sound outputting out from the actual factory radio. All you've got to do is basically jump in the car, plug your phone into the designated USB port that we've added in. Then what we've actually done is basically all you do is you press and hold the back button and it automatically slips over that screen to actually show the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto system, whatever your phone is, whatever your phone's compatible with, it will go through live directly onto that screen. If you've got Android Auto, it works in a very similar way to Apple CarPlay, but obviously in this video we are just showing Apple CarPlay. However, if you own an Android phone, it will work with that as well. In terms of solution, it's fully integrated. We have got a separate microphone added into the vehicle as well, just for the hands-free and Siri activation. However, the rest is pretty much hidden away and it uses factory controls to control the system. Plus you've got volume up and down on your steering wheel control to actually retain volume as well, which is really nice. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. You've seen a little bit more about how the system actually works on the X-Class. If you own one of these vehicles or own any vehicle for that matter and looking to add Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integrated into the factory screen, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through all of the options with you and what we can offer you guys. Thank you very much for watching, but please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But otherwise, we're done. Thank you very much.